So if you want to get
depends on the material between 14 and 6,000. So this I measured, and that's.
I'm doing the X and Y with Excel. I've actually
It's very good.
I've been able to put it into Excel. Sorry, I'm really lazy in this term. And I've been producing graphs.
So what it's doing at the moment is to lay the raft. The head needs to be 235 degrees C, and it's currently at 218 rising. So when it gets up to temperature, then it will start going to.
So did you guys design this thing?
It actually came out of the University of Bath, where a professor wanted to design a machine which was a self-replicating machine. And what we've done is we've taken the product out of the university where it's a test lab rather than a working product, and converted it into something which is robust and reliable, used in both academic and industrial environments.
So these stepper motors.
Yeah. So this comes in kit form.
Right.
So for £750, you have the pleasure of building it yourself. If you want to buy a pre-built, it's just on this deal.
Anyway, and I'm doing the extended version.
So do the stepper motors have any feedback to know where they are?
No,
they don't need it.
They don't need it because steppers only have a problem if they desynchronize, and that will be a function of speed, going too fast, or forces too high, and neither of those apply to this machine.
Right. Okay.
So it's not a problem. They don't actually need to.
What's your name? Sorry.
Christine, can I drop you an email?
So what's what kind of file do you download to?
It's an STL file.
STL.
So there are three ways of doing that. Any CAD, 3 designs, 3D CAD will provide an STL file. Laser scanning will provide an STL file, or a creative design package like the one being shown here will provide an STL file. So those are the 3 methods of preparing it.
Is there any anything to do with is there a requirement for the STL file to have some kind of geometric consistency, either logically or physically?
So as long as all the triangles are joined up, they need to be joined up.
So it just renders. What would happen if you had a triangle in space that you just had a vertex?
If it was probably failed, put it in a different